Hello, hello, hello. Sana po wag po kayong magsawang pakinggan yung mga kanta ko. I am here again to sing a song. This is for my Han. How do I live without you? Paano nga ba ako mabubuhay kung wala ka? Ikaw kasi yung buhay ko eh. Ikaw yung lahat para sa akin. At saka I love you more than you'll ever know. And thank you also for loving me. I'm so happy, Han, that you came into my life. Everything is for you. You're my life. You're my everything. Love you, Han. Thank you so much. How do I live without you? So please don't leave me, Han. Hope you'll still like this. Get through one night without you. If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, why? I need you in my heart, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, we would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I, oh, how do I live without you? There'll be no sun in my sky. There would be no love in my life. There would be no world left for me and I. Honey, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, honey, would you take away everything real in my life? Sabihin mo, paano ngayon kung wala ka sa buhay ko? Paano ngayon kung wala ka? Sana'y malaman, hanap ng puso'y laging ikaw. Paano na, oh paano na, paano na kung wala ka? If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything. I need you with me. Honey, don't you know that you're everything good in my life? And tell me now, paano ngayon kung wala ka? Sana'y malaman, paano ngayon kung wala ka? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? Paano na, oh paano na, kung wala ka? How do I live without you? How do I live without you? Yeah. Thank you so